I am Mr. Kamrul Islam Kamal, Assistant Professor of English, Shohid Jia Degree College, Bagbari Kaptoli Bogura, and Vice President, Jia Porishad, Kaptoli Upazila Bogura. I have composed a poem of 36 lines on the occasion of the birth anniversary of President Ziaur Rahman, and the name of my poem is Ziaur Rahman, eternally alive in our hearts. Now, I myself am reciting this poem, Ziaur Rahman, eternally alive in our hearts. On January 1936, under the shimmering rays of a radiant day, a name rose as a star in the skies of Bengal and the world. He is none other than the legendary martyr, President Ziaur Rahman from our Bagbari village. From a delicate Kamal to a vast blue horizon, crossing the limits of the sky, his name echoes endlessly. He is the great leader, the martyred President Ziaur Rahman, a resident of Noshipur Union. From 1978 to 1981, through a short span, he glorified himself with integrity and natural intelligence. Life is mortal, transient, and fleeting. Yet, through wisdom and honor, he became eternal, immortal, and indestructible. The architect of modern Bangladesh, the pioneer of multi-party democracy, a shining star in every aspect, these are the virtues of Shohid Jia by the Korotwa river of Gaptoli Upazila. A man free of pretense, gentle, humble, and polite, he is the pride of Bogura district, the martyr President Ziaur Rahman. We yearned wholeheartedly for dreams and aspirations and found them in the golden petty ships of the short-lived martyr Jia. Your name resonates in the melodies of birds and the whispers of mountain streams. We find you in the deep forest shade and the golden grains of soil. You are rare, selfless, a reformer, unforgettable, and an ever-present visionary messenger. Not in papers or stones, but in golden letters engraved in hearts, you are the undisputed leader, Ziaur Rahman. You led the nation with honesty, sincerity, and commitment. You defeated tyranny, autocracy, and corruption with an iron hand. You upheld the belief that the people are the source of all power, a belief that the Bangladeshi nation and the world still follow. In our thoughts and prayers, you remain. Your trust in people, from army chief to president, you fulfilled your responsibilities without negligence or delay. A true leader never abandons anyone in adversity or loses character in prosperity. Who said this? It was our national hero, the martyr Jia. You were the voice of the suppressed, oppressed, and downtrodden, the voice of Bangladesh. You repaired a broken nation with sweetness and wisdom, always smiling, sociable, dedicated, and brave. The nationalist force, the Bengalis, and the world know your valor. In your lifetime, you embodied true leadership and fatherhood. You left behind a legacy, a world-renowned woman, and a history-making son. You are the people's Jia, blended with the skies and air of Bengal. You exist in the scorching winds of the Arabian deserts and the Jia tree. You live in Sark's foundation, the children's organization Notun Kuri. the Jiaodan, voices, grand conferences, revolutions, and solidarity. The pioneer of the 19-point ideology, the first sector commander's legacy, he is Bangladesh's gallant martyr Jia. Sometimes calm like ice, sometimes fiery and unstoppable. Remember, such meritocracy defines our icon Shahid Jia. From Teknaf to Tetulia, from Rupsha to Pathuria, he flows endlessly in the veins of the message, the announcer of our independence, Major Jiaur Rahman. You proved that slow and steady wins the race. You revitalized the economy, brought smiles to the poor, and drove away suffering and pain. You were a philosopher, a successful politician, and a teacher of humanity. You stood by the hardworking, mud-laden people with integrity and diligence. The sound of the great liberation war and the echoes of victory, these are your contributions. A global celebrity, the martyr President Jiaur Rahman. Only 45 years of life, only 3 years of governance. Yet, you sacrificed your priceless life for humanity, trusting the villains of history. You embraced tragedy. Humanity was shaken and the world drowned in tears. As long as the Padma, Meghna, Jamuna, Karnafuli, and Brahmaputra flow, your deeds will remain vibrant in immortal memory. Power-hungry, misguided, treacherous villains killed you, staining the nation with disgrace. Your soulful song moves hearts. My first Bangladesh, my last Bangladesh, my life is Bangladesh, my death is Bangladesh. Thousands of poems, stories, novels, and songs could be written about you. I pray to the Almighty, may you rest in eternal peace. The death-defying orator, the martyr President Jiaur Rahman. Thank you so much.